Today, we're going to learn about empirical and molecular formula. The empirical formula is the simplest positive integer ratio of atoms present in a compound, or the reduced version. It is also known as the simplest formula. The molecular formula is the actual number of atoms in each molecule of a compound. In some cases, two compounds can have the same empirical formula, but different molecular formulas. These two have different molecular formulas, but the same empirical formula. In other cases, the given compound's molecular formula cannot be simplified, and so the empirical formula and molecular formula are the same. In this case, the CH2O cannot be simplified, so they are the same. Let's try an example problem. In this problem, caffeine has an elemental analysis of 49.48% carbon, 5.120% hydrogen, 16.47% oxygen, and 28.85% nitrogen. What is the empirical formula of caffeine? The rhyme to remember for solving for empirical formula is percent to mass, mass to moles, divide by small, multiply till whole. Step 1 is to change percent to mass. We convert the percentages to mass in grams. In step 2, we change grams to moles. Using a mole ratio, multiply each by 1 mole over the molar mass of the element. In step 3, we divide by small. This means dividing by the smallest number of moles calculated in the previous step. Since 1.029 moles is the smallest number, we divide everything by 1.029. The last step is to multiply till whole. The object of this step is to get all numbers from the previous step as close to whole numbers as possible. If the numbers from the previous problem were very mixed numbers like these, then all of them would need to be multiplied by the same number until they are approximately whole. In this problem, the numbers are already approximately whole, so we are just going to round and do not need to multiply. We then apply those numbers and get the empirical formula. So what if we were asked to solve for molecular formula instead? In this case, the molar mass of the compound is always given. We would solve this problem the same way with one extra step, dividing the molecular mass by the empirical molecular mass. Add the molar masses of the elements. This is the empirical molecular mass. To find the molecular formula, divide the given mass by empirical molecular mass. The resulting number indicates what to multiply the empirical formula by to get the molecular formula. This is your molecular formula. Now it's time for a few practice problems on your own. Remember, percent to mass, mass to mole, divide by small, multiply till whole.